Gala Games. Gala is a crypto gaming project that gained over 30,000% in 2021, making it one of the year's best performers. Its mission is to create blockchain games people actually want to play, and it already has 14 games in development on its platform, though only one of them is currently playable. Like many cryptocurrencies, Gala has struggled this year and is currently down over 90% on its all-time high, according to CoinGecko data. So in today's video, we will see why you need at least 500,000 Gala coins. But before that, welcome back to your own channel, Crypto World, where you'll get all the crypto knowledge. And yes, do remember that this video is not financial advice, so do your own research before investing anywhere. So without any further delay, let's get started. To understand it properly, let's actually see. What is Gala? Gala Games was founded in 2018 by Eric Schirmer, the co-founder of the game's developer Zynga, together with crypto miner Wright Thurston and Michael McCarthy, the creative director behind viral games such as Farmville. Their declared aim was to make online gaming more decentralized, and they aimed to target a wide variety of gamers who wanted to change the way things were done in the gaming world. The introduction of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, into the Gala Games ecosystem was the first step towards making gaming more decentralized, as well as helping players take ownership of their game items. NFTs can be collected, traded, and sold, not just within their own game, but throughout the entirety of the Gala Games ecosystem. In order to achieve its stated goal, Gala Games has established a blockchain network powered by Gala tokens. The system is built on the Ethereum (ETH) blockchain, and Gala tokens are transferable between users who have full control over how to use them. As Gala is based on Ethereum, it is a token rather than a coin. You might see such questions as what is Gala Games coin? Or references to the Gala coin value, the Gala coin price, or even a Gala coin price prediction. These are all technically incorrect. Users can also purchase nodes in Gala, Ether, ETH, or Basic Attention Token (BAT) and acquire voting rights on which games will be published next on the platform, allowing players to have their say on changes to the system. This process is also known as the Founders Nodes within the Gala Games ecosystem, which is powered by more than 16,000 player-run nodes. The Gala cryptocurrency is also used to reward holders and Founders Nodes owners who have operated their computers on the network for at least 6 hours, with the rewards issued every day. In order for the network to run smoothly, 50,000 Founders Nodes were released upon its launch. In the long run, Gala Games is planning to establish multiple game studios that will each work on multiple games, creating a steady stream of NFTs, which will get dropped to the node network in order to incentivize the system and keep it stable. So far, the platform hosts games and an NFT collectible series, Vox. On 31 October, the platform was due to launch its latest game, Spider Tanks, which heralds itself as the first blockchain-based esports game. This launch came not long after the company announced that Mark Skaggs, the former vice president of Electronic Arts, was to join Gala Games as its senior vice president of games. Gala did not have an initial coin offering, ICO, upon its launch. The figures of 1.3 million monthly active users acquired since launch and more than 26,000 NFTs sold are taken from the Gala website, whether they have not been updated for several months. Now let's see, should you buy? Let's start with some of the reasons for optimism about Gala. First, it has some strong games in development that may well break the mold when it comes to blockchain games. Up until now, the biggest issue for a number of blockchain games is that they are not as fun to play as ordinary ones. Gala wants to change this. In addition, Gala has an experienced management team and has worked hard to attract industry talent. There are some big milestones in the pipeline too. The most notable is Gala's plans to move to its own blockchain. It currently runs on the Ethereum, ETH, and Binance Smart Chain ecosystems. Developing its own ecosystem will allow it to significantly reduce costs and improve transaction times. Recently, it also announced a partnership with the Epic Games Store. Epic is a major non-blockchain gaming company, and the deal means an upcoming Wild West game called Grit will be one of the first Web3 games to be released on the Epic platform. But it's not all good news. Blockchain gaming is a complicated and highly competitive sector that can be heavily trend-driven. Ultimately, we don't know which platforms will eventually come out on top. Gala's model differs from Axie Infinity, Axe, another play-to-earn gaming platform that came to the fore last year. However, Axie is struggling to maintain its in-game economy because it pays out so many rewards. It's essentially continually watering down the value of the tokens in circulation. Axie has other issues too, but its fall from grace raises questions about the sustainability of other gaming platforms. One thing to know about Gala is that its token is separate from the gaming tokens players can earn in individual games. In theory, this means that if there are inflation issues, They will be in the specific games rather than across the whole ecosystem. Another issue highlighted by Coin Bureau is a lack of transparency about Gala's tokenomics. A December video pointed out that there isn't a lot of documentation about how the token works. And finally, Gala price predictions. Let us now look at some of the Gala price predictions that were being made as of 4 November 2022. Price forecasts, especially for something as potentially volatile as cryptocurrency, are often wrong. Also, long-term price predictions are often made using an algorithm, which means they can change at a moment's notice. Gov Capital had a Gala price prediction for 2022 that said the token could close the year at $0.252. By 4 November 2023, the site said that Gala could potentially fall to trade at about $0.334 before moving to $0.723 12 months after that. On 4 November 2025, Gala could be worth about $1.21 before possibly trading at $1.79 a year from then and potentially reaching $2.47 on 4 November 2027, it suggested. Coins Kid made a Gala crypto price prediction that saw the token potentially worth $0.0396 in December 2022, before reaching a possible $0.0523 in November next year. A year from then, Coins Kid said, Gala could climb to $0.0799 before making a Gala price prediction for 2025 that saw it potentially reach $0.156 by November that year. By November 2026, the site argued that the token could continue to rise to $0.2691 before potentially closing the year at $0.2922. Captain Altcoin had a Gala token price prediction which argued it could trade at $0.0354 in January 2023. Before potentially going on to be worth $0.0581 in November 2023. By 2025, the site said Gala could be worth about $0.1596, but there could be a substantial drop by November 2027 when it could be down to $0.0889. The site then went on to make a Gala price prediction for 2030 of $0.3991, before suggesting that it could get to $0.7982 in 2040. Finally, Wallet Investor struck a far more bearish note in its Gala price forecast, saying that the token could be in for a rough 12 months, potentially dropping to $0.00639 by November 2023. When considering a Gala token price prediction, it is important to keep in mind that cryptocurrency markets remain extremely volatile, making it difficult to accurately predict what a coin or token's price will be in a few hours, and even harder to give long-term estimates. Analysts and algorithm-based forecasters can and do get their predictions wrong. If you are considering investing in cryptocurrency tokens, we recommend that you always do your own research. Look at the latest market trends, news, technical and fundamental analysis, and expert opinion before making any investment decision. Keep in mind that past performance is no guarantee of future returns. Never trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. So this was all for today's video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video tomorrow. Until then, peace out.